Hi folks, this is Scott with Mid-America RV, and today we're going to do something different. Everybody knows on a dealer's lot we're going to have a lot of bunk bed models for the family. Those are very popular and we have a great selection of those. But today I want to show you the most popular couples trailer on the market, and it's the same floor plan, and I've got different brands in the same floor plan. So let's do that and let's get started. Hey, this is Scott again. So we're here at Mid-America RV in Carthage, Missouri, home of the nationwide lifetime warranty. And I want to show you these couple units that we have in stock. Again, it's the same floor plan, but you're going to see different styles and such on them. So this is the brand new Springdale 240 RB. And let's take a look at the outside of it. So it does have an external outside kitchen. So you got a cooktop and a refrigerator, power awning. And then you go inside, it has the nice solid steps. So what you're going to notice on the rear bath floor plan is going to have a really nice sized bathroom. So you're going to have lots of room, a big shower, a nice storage, nice countertop there. So that's what you're going to get with the rear bath because it's using the full width of the trailer. Now looking towards the front of the trailer, you have a huge slide. This is going to have reclining theater seats, and it has a dinette. So if you do want to sleep somebody, that you can make that into a bed. Now Springdale's done a really good job with their storage. You open this up and it's huge inside here. You got really good storage. And then they have done a really nice job with their design. You got a place to hang some stuff when you come in over there. Huge refrigerator, nice countertop. I like the different colors in the cabinets. And then you've got your queen size bed up front, hanging storage on each side, and then you have extra storage up there and then storage underneath the bed. So this is just one of the floor plan that we're going to talk about. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is actually the second and third trailer, and I'm going to tell you why. You can get this Cherokee in the standard metal, or you can also get it in the black label, which is fiberglass on the outside. So a different package. It'll be the same floor plan, just some different options on it. So let's take a look at this one. It's got the outside kitchen again. You got the grill top, refrigerator, ice maker, outside shower. I love the reflective windows. Now the black label will have frameless windows, power awning with LED light up there. Now what Cherokee does that's different is they give you a rack on the back, and you're getting the backup camera already installed from the factory. So that's kind of a thing that they do. Let's go inside. You're going to see the same floor plan, little different storage here. But again, here's your rear bath, and it's nice and big. You got your shower over here, and then you have your toilet area, and then nice countertop here, but lots of room again. This one has the couch that makes into a bed, and it has a huge U-shaped dinette on this one. And then you're straight across from the fireplace over here. Beautiful kitchen. It has the air fryer, and then the sink has everything on it. Nice sink with all the options there. And then the booth dinette, amazing storage underneath there. Then you're going to go to the front. Again, you're going to have the bedroom up front. I really like what they did with the cabinets in the bedroom. You got really good cabinets and good storage, and then storage underneath the bed as well. So this is number 2 and number 3. Let's go look at the other one. All right, folks, this is number 4. This is the Coachman Spirit 2557 RB. Again, all of our new ones have the lifetime warranty on them. Coachman has been around for 60 years now. So very good quality, budget-friendly trailer. So let's take a look. This one has the outside kitchen area in the back, and then the awning goes over the whole thing here, which is really nice. So you have your refrigerator, a little work area, and then it does come with a grill that attaches to a bracket up there. This one also has the solid steps on it, which I really like. Again, we're going to go inside, and to the left, you're going to have the rear bath again, okay? Big shower, lots of room, nice counter space, nice storage. All right, and then this one's going to have the reclining theater seats, a big U-shaped dinette that makes into a bed. Something different about this one, you have this hidden storage, this pantry just comes out. That's pretty cool. You have a lot of storage behind there. And then you have the big 12-volt refrigerator, counter extension, nice stainless sink. This one has a queen size bed, and then it has the storage underneath with the struts. Got extra storage underneath here, drawers, and really nice storage there. So this one, again, fiberglass exterior, really good quality. Let's go take a look at the last one. Okay, this is number 5, same floor plan. This is the Alta 2600. Now, this one's gonna have a few upgrades. It has the docking station and your storage up front, and it has huge storage, and we'll look at it from the other side too, but really big storage. This one's gonna have the factory installed solar panels and factory installed batteries upgraded, and then you're gonna have the independent power jacks, which is also an upgrade on this as well. So you're gonna have the beautiful front cap with the LED lights on the front. So we go around the passenger side over here, and you're gonna see, again, this humongous storage, how tall it is, okay? That's a really nice thing. You can get your chairs and stuff in there, and a very clean. You can see the aluminum framing and all that on it as well. So this one's gonna have a big, huge power awning on it. It's gonna have the outside refrigerator. You're gonna have the solid steps. This one is definitely, you know, like a 4-season style unit, so it's gonna have the better R factors and all that. So if you're looking for something upgraded for 4-season, this is gonna be the best one we have as far as that goes. Let's take a look inside. Again, to the left, you're gonna have that rear bath again. Huge shower, porcelain toilet, that's an upgrade. Nice counter space. On this one, they're going to give you a nice storage closet right when you walk in. Huge storage there. Again, same floor plan, so you have reclining theater seats over here across from the fireplace and the TV. This one has 2 air conditioners on it. Big 12-volt refrigerator. Beautiful kitchen area, and then it has the dinette booth that makes into a bed. Okay, and up front you actually have a king-size bed. So that's a difference on this one as well. And then you have storage underneath that too. They're giving you extra drawers and places to store socks and stuff like that. So if you're looking for probably the nicest rear bath we have, upgraded insulation, independent power jacks, factory solar, this Alta is the way to go. So most couples, when they're looking at a trailer, and it's just the 2 of them that are in the trailer, they want to have a comfortable place to sit, and they usually like to have it across from the TV viewing area. And all of these floor plans we looked at today will have that. Now, a lot of them will have a booth dinette that if they need to take a kid or a grandkid with them, they can have a place to sleep as well. But basically, they want a nice bathroom, they want a nice place to sit and rest, and they do like the cross-directional viewing of the TV. So the cool thing about the Springdale is, so they're going to give you a great value at the most budget-friendly price. I think the one that we have on that we shot first is on sale for $29,999. But they have a lot of nice upgrades on them. They're not trying to give you every single thing, but they are trying to give you a really good quality trailer that looks nice, that functions nice, but is not really, really expensive. Now, the cool thing about the Cherokee is they're also very budget friendly, maybe just a little bit more than the Springdale, but they're loading it up with options. So you're going to get the backup camera on it. You're going to get the back rack, storage rack on the back. You're going to get the upgraded sink in the kitchen, and you're going to get some things like that that the other one doesn't give you. Now, the cool thing about the Coachman Spirit 2557 RB is that it is a fiberglass exterior unit, aluminum frame with fiberglass exterior. Coachman's been around for 60 years. It's got that cool hidden pantry on it, and you know, it's very budget friendly. It's in the 30s price wise. So again, still has a lifetime warranty on it too. So that's a really cool thing about that one. Now, when it comes to the Alta, it's just going to have upgrades galore. Like, you start on the outside, you have the huge storage in the front, the docking station on the front. You got the upgraded factory solar setup with the panels and the batteries, and then you have that independent power jacks, huge power awning on it. It's got the nice painted front cap, upgraded insulation, and then it comes equipped with lots of nice equipment on it inside, like the fireplace and the TV. the king size bed, the 2 air conditioners. So it's going to be the most expensive out of the group. But, you know, really for what you're paying in the 40s, you're getting a lot of trailer for the money. So the really nice thing about the 5 options that we have today, they're all going to have that same rear bath floor plan, and they're all half-ton towable, and they all come with that lifetime warranty too. So mainly what I want to do today is show you that we do have a great selection of trailers. The most popular floor plans we're going to have either on our lot or access to that. So today's units was the rear bath couples trailer, and those are going to range anywhere from high 20s to mid 40s and everything in the middle on price. Some of them are going to have more expensive options on them, or they're going to have upgraded insulation as well. Every new one we sell has the nationwide lifetime warranty on it. So it doesn't matter which one you pick, you're going to get that on there too. But we also have the bunk bed models. We have the new front kitchen models they came out with. So we have a lot of options. So, you know, just come by and check us out. You can look us up on our website. It's www.midamericarv.com.